Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this eyeshadow look using the James Charles Morphe collab palette. I am so in love with this palette. I feel like it has every single color you could ever possibly need. And this look was also super easy to create. I only used 4 colors. I made it simple, but I still use bold colors. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye! So I already prepped my eyes with MAC's Painterly Paint Pot. I always prep my eyeshadow with this, and the first shade that I'm going to dip into is the shade 518, which is a bright orange shade from the palette. I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm just going to use this shade as my transition shade and run it all along my crease. And as you guys can see, I'm applying this in more of a circular shape. I'm not winging this shadow out because I'm not going to be using a liner. The next shade that I'm going into is Love That. I'm taking this on a more tapered blending brush, and I'm going to focus this right on my crease. I'm going to run this in that same exact circular shape from the inner corner of my eye to the outer corner of my eye. And once I've placed the shadow where I like, I'm going in with a clean blending brush and I'm just going to smoke that out. The next shade that I'm going into is the shade Escape. It's a deep purple matte shade from the palette. I am going to be using this as my lid shade, so I'm taking a packing brush and I'm just applying that all over the lid. I am running it lower than my actual lid ends. That way when I blend it out, it'll be a lot easier. I then go into all the different brushes that I used with whatever leftover product they have, and I try to blend that out. And once I've done that, then I see whether or not I need some more purple, and in this case I did. So whatever was left on the brush, I kind of just dragged that down towards the center of my lid to kind of complete that circle shape. So then I'm just going to repeat the same exact process on my other eye. And in this case, I'm not using liners, so I am using a solid lash band, a little bit of a bolder lash, just to make the eyeshadow pop. I love doing this, going for a bold look and no liner and just adding a lash. I really like how this looks. Once I've done that, I'm just gonna curl the lashes a little bit and apply some mascara. I'm using Extended Play Mascara by MAC. This is my absolute favorite mascara. And then to finish off this look, I'm going in with the shade Artistry, which reminds me a lot of a MAC shade named Stars and Rockets. That definitely is a dupe for this, but this is such a beautiful shade. And that was it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!